G'day, Shane here. It's week 130 of my piano journey, and I'm about to have lesson number 98, so sneaking up on that 100. Not a lot of progress this week. 2 practice sessions, grand total of 80 minutes, so a bit slack. Yeah, to be honest, I can't remember much about them. Yeah, even my notes here. I did actually get through a complete set of all of the pieces and sight reading and scales on one session. And the other session looks like it was dedicated entirely to I'm Still Standing, which was the piece that we'd covered off some tips and tricks for in the last lesson number 97. Yeah. So yeah, obviously an eventful week, practice-wise anyway. So the Moonlight Shadows piece has been retired this week. And I'm getting a new piece today called Flying Above the Clouds. So have those in a few minutes. And I might just see if I can get a final performance session of Moonlight Shadows while I'm waiting on the lesson to start. But don't hold your breath. Okay, see you shortly.